So we've got some gannets on an island. That's an example of a bird, and they assume to follow this exponential growth model. This is an exponentials question. We need to fill in this table. There are two ways to do it. You can either just substitute in your numbers. So you can do 0.45 multiplied by 1.07 to the power of 10. And then write that down. We're working to, it looks like 2 decimal places, so 0.89 I'd write down. Okay, and I could do the same for 20, or I can use a more sophisticated, I'll just turn my calculator off, my more sophisticated table function, which will deal with it. F of x is going to be 0.45 times 1.07 to the power of x, alpha x, equals, not interested in a second function, going to start at 0, going to end at 20, I'm going up in 5s every time. Okay, and then I get it in a similar way, 0.45, 0.63, all the ones I had before, but I also get the 20, 1.74. So just two different ways you can do this question. And that's our table completed. Okay, now draw this graph. So I just need to plot my points. When it's 0, I've got 0.45. What's it going up in? It's going up in 0.0. It's going up in 0.1s. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. It's going to be about, whoops, it's quite hard to do it electronically. It's going to be about here. That's my best effort. 5 is 0.63. It's going to be about here. 10 is 0.89. So it's just going to be just under 1 there. 15 is 1.24. And 20 is 1.74. So we can start to see it increasing more quickly as we go along. Connect that up. Okay, we can see it's not quite a straight line, and actually it would carry on a bit like that probably. Okay, use the graph to find the year. So we'll use the graph, not do any sort of calculation, to find the year where the gannet population is predicted to reach 1,000. Well, the scale is in thousands on the graph, so it's going to be at 1. So if I draw a line along, and then I draw a line down, I think it's about here. Okay, so I need to think about this. It's going to be the year, so it's 11 years after 1st of January 2011. So it's going to be, sorry, 2010. So it's going to be 2010 plus 11. It's going to be 2021.